angathi umkhuleko komele kuhambe buye ushintshe nawo ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Angazi ukuthi okuyikona ilokho okuyi opposite from what we already know. Ngoba la kufuneka uqale ngokubonga bese uyanikwa. Uqale ngokuthola bese uyafuna. Uqale ngokufika bese uyahamba. You see, uqalwa ngalokho okugcinwa ngakho. Yabona izi opposite izinto ke makunjalo. Masithi uqala ngokubonga bese uyanikwa. Ingoba vele uqala ngokubonga, ingqondo yakho iyaconditioneka ukuthi kusho ukuthi lento nginayo. Uyabo? Because ingqondo is a meaning generating machine. Yabo? Ingqondo yakho uma uthi kanje iyayisho ukuthi ukusho uphatheke kabi. Noma ngeke into ekuphathe kabi, kodwa izoyifuna bese iyayithola into ezokuphatha kabi. Ingqondo yakhe meaning ngento esukuyenzeka ukuthi what does this mean? So if you say thank you, uyabonga mangabe ukuthi uyakhuleka, ithi kusho lento useyitholile bese iyayifuna bese iyayithola ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. So uma ukuthi most of the time unalento ekuthiwa gratitude in your life, even when you are praying or even when you are talking to your higher power, if ukuthi wena uzobonga, lokho kuzogcina kurecordeka in your subconscious mind ukuthi lo muntu uyabonga. And meaning, after the meaning comes the emotions. What creates our emotions is the meaning in this life. So you see something you generate the meaning out of it, you feel a certain emotion. Yabo? Ubingelela umuntu uzibhekela le, that is not a problem ukuthi ubhekele umbingelelo, but first if your mind will run fast and uzama ukwakhela meaning ukuthi what does this thing mean, oh vele akangiphiwe uyangiziva, now you are going to feel a certain way just because of that. But if you are going to give a different meaning, or maybe you occupied, or maybe you wouldn't have a problem, yabo. So if kuguthi uzoqala ngokuthi ubonge, thank you for all these things, thank you for what has happened and also what will manifest, thank you for me manifesting what so and so. Lapho you are trying to take your mind to isigaba sokuthi uzofila vele leyo gratitude ukuthi ukusho ukuthi yabo, if kumele wazi kodwa ukuthi meaning nayo ayizenzekeli, isuka kuma beliefs and knowledge and understanding, isuka lapho. If you know about the knowledge, if you know, and if you have sufficient information and highest human reasoning yokuthi this is how things work in this universe, then uzoba nako ukukholwa nokwazi, rather kwazi ukuthi lento vele ikhona. So if njengoba ngithi thank you, vele that's how things supposed to work, then ngeke uzukuphikisa umqondo wakho uzuqamba manga, ngeke uzukuphikisa uzuqamba manga. Wena kumele ukuthi wenze umsebenzi ukuthi wenze njani, uconvince. Why would it be easy for your mind to believe something terrible? Why would it be easy? So the very same way you need to make it easy for it to believe what you want to manifest. But that is your duty. Look, it requires a willpower, because that's not how we are programmed, and that is not how our biology has been made up. We are not made up of those things. We used to run away from predators and having that fear of survival and stuff. So now operate ngaleyo ndlela, we are opposing million of years of biology yakho, indlela eyenziwe ngayo. So futhi ke awuzuqala ngokuhamba bese uyafika. Cha, uqala ngokufika bese uyahamba. Why we say that? You will first have to arrive to the kind of life that you envision. You have to arrive there. You have to be there kuleyo mpilo leyo before uhambe. Angizabona ukuthi lapho we are talking about you on a daily basis or like regularly, ukuthi things that you envision, the life you envision has to be here. It shouldn't be a thing ukuthi ukuyona. We know that you need to be grounded in the reality. We know that. But envisioning, yes, you have to be grateful of what you already have. Yes, that is also part of vibrating higher. You have to be grateful of what you already have. Even though you have nothing, you have to be grateful of that, so that you'll have something. You see, it's opposites. You have to be grateful, then you are going to have something. So someone may think, I'll have to have something before I become grateful. No, you have to be grateful before you have something, even though you have nothing. And then your question would be, what should I be grateful of? Umsebenzi wakho ngeloyo. So umsebenzi wakho ngeloyo. Ayikho nje ebalekile that you should be grateful of. So umsebenzi wakho ngeloyo. Ngoba vele le impilo ifuna ukuthi kind of, I don't like the word manipulate, but nanglo wambatha isikhumba semvu ukuze ubaba kambusise. So that esoterically mean, yes, you have to do that. It's some sort of manipulation so that life will bless you. You are manipulating the energy in a way. And we are not that we are discarding this reality. Yes, you accept this reality, but you focus ahead. Njengokuthi nje ngeke phela ukuthi ngizobuka la phela, lapha ngingabuki, kumele ngibuke lapha, and leliso leli lakho kumele libuke lapha. You have to arrive first there before you go, because the means don't determine the ends. The ends determine the means. To get that, the end determine the means. So beyikana kuthiwa la khona uthando nendlela ikhona. Lokho kusho ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngothando, it's high vibrational energy, and if you love and you are in there, in that particular reality, you are so in love with it, you see yourself in it. Exactly. If you are emotionally matching with that reality, that will determine indlela. Lendifana nengane misanda qoma nje funa ngale ndlela ukuye esokeni layo. Iyayithola indlela yokuthi iwindi izolivula kanjani, igate izolishaya kanjani, iyayithola indlela. So it's the very same way, because vele izinto zidaliwe. Owethu is to get a way to grab them and attract them towards us.